Hello beauties, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Have you not subscribed? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press that notification button. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Today I'm going to be making a remedy of how you can take away those wrinkles, how you can have spotless face without no wrinkle, without no acne. Keep watching. Thank you. Hello. Our first ingredient here is oats. I'm going to be putting a little bit of it. Oats. The next thing we are going to be needing here is turmeric powder. Mix it together. Then we are going to be applying lemon. When you come to brightness, lemon is very good. Turmeric powder as well helps us in brightening our skin. Prevents ages. This face mask is going to take away wrinkles, acne, dark spots. It's going to make your face spotless. It's going to take away pigmentation. Look at how it is. Look at it. Now I'm going to be applying it on my hands. Yes, I'm going to see instant transformation. Look at it. Look at it. I'm going to be transferring. I'm going to be massaging it all over like this. As you know, turmeric powder is very good in our skin. This face mask is going to transform your face. It's going to give you that beautiful skin. It's going to give you that glow. Take away pigmentation. Take away acne. This face mask is good. Please try it. It's good. I do this on my face 2-3 times a week. See, apply it. You leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. You see, you leave it, just apply it like this on your face. It's effective. It's effective. If you can do it regularly 2 to 3 times in a week, you are going to get good, effective results. It's effective. You see it? You leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. You see the transformation, instant transformation. You can see my hands. If you can see it properly, I didn't even leave it up to 10 minutes. I didn't even leave it up to 5 minutes. I just decided to wash it because I have some here going to. You see my hand, you see? This one is the one I put the mask. You look at it. Look at it. Look at the difference. Look at the brightness. Look at it. Look at it. Please do it 2-3 times a week. You are going to get good results. I promise you. This remedy is effective. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comment. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.